A stylish and cozy coat is basic classic for a woman's wardrobe. Want to learn how to sew a high-quality coat in the shortest time possible? Global Fashion Workshop will show you how. We can teach you how to sew a high-quality coat quickly and easily. The course Women's Coat shows in detail the technology of sewing a coat with sewing sleeves. Step by step, following the instruction of a pro, you will be able to repeat each sewing operation. We showed everything in the course, from designing and attaching the lining with the main fabric to steaming. The basis for the creation of the coat was the author's work of Irina Mikhailovna Paukshte. These technologies appeared thanks to many years of her continuous practice. And so they lay on top of each other like this. And it turns out that there is no rough seam here at all, as if everything was sewn in one direction. If you have never worked with a lining, this course will teach you how, and the lining will not pull the base of the coat when worn. You will be able to confidently perform the operation of attaching the main fabric to the lining, make the sleeve with the lining, and also insert the sleeve into the armhole. In the lessons of our course, you will see how to work with a two-seam sleeve. Moreover, all the forming operations are shown in the course. Thanks to them, your coat will never lose its shape and will always look flawless. The course of the coat is based on the 10 measurement system. We showed modeling specifically for outwear so that every woman feels comfortable wearing this coat. The course shows in great detail how to finish the edge of the side so that it is perfectly smooth, how to work with the lining, how to prepare a belt, and how to make a sewed-on offset welt, which is in relief on the front. There is also information about how to design the collar, how to sew it into the neckline correctly, as well as other variants of collars that are possible. Now, after the amendments have been made, we work quietly, preparing the collar without any intermediate fittings. We will prepare the collar and sew it into the coat. The course shows how to prepare a vent in such a way that it does not open, so that it looks perfect and so that all corners are straight. There is also a detailed instruction on how to properly interface the fabric. In order for the coat to be worn longer and look better, it is necessary to go through the interfacing stage. 5.5 hours of high-tech work, unique author's techniques, a simple and understandable step-by-step algorithm. All this you get by purchasing the video course Women's Coat, Designing and Sewing.